Would you like a productivity tip that could be worth millions over the long term? When it came to my effectiveness and productivity in my business, I always found myself doing more and not feeling like my output was equal to my input. I felt like I was just doing too much and I was scattered. I didn't really feel like I had a clear focus day to day and even week to week. And it resulted in a pretty messy experience when it came to the global picture of where I wanted my business to go. And it wasn't until I learned this from my coach about this one key productivity tip that has allowed me to be focused, to be effective, and more importantly, to be efficient in my productivity. And this is even a productivity strategy that Google CEO Sundar Pichai implements every single week. I'm Thomas Edwards, creator and author of The One-Up Effect, helping top performers with families have fun becoming their best self through purpose, play, passion, and performance. In this video today, I'm going to share with you the one productivity tip that you can implement every week to be focused, effective, and efficient in productivity. Now, for someone who is the CEO of Google, like Sundar Pichai, like he needs to be super productive for running a multi-billion-dollar company. And so what does he do that allows him to be focused week to week and how it builds to month and quarterly and yearly results? Well, he has what he calls a Monday morning rule, where he takes time with himself, grabs a pen and a pad, and he meditates and thinks about what he wants to focus on that week. And he'll write down anywhere from 3 to 5 things, and that will be all that he focuses on throughout the entire week. Anything else becomes a distraction and he's able to delegate or just defer to the following week if it becomes something that's important. And that's very productive for a CEO of that nature. But when I think about what I do something very similar. I go into what I call a player's lobby. It's like if you've ever played video games and you've gone online, you're always in a lobby waiting for the game to start. And while you're in this lobby, you're reflecting, you're thinking about what your strategy is before you go into the game. Sometimes you might equip yourself with certain tools that can allow you to compete at a higher level within the game. And you do this prep every single time that you're in this lobby. And so I thought it'd be really cool for me to create my own personal lobby each week to reflect on what happened in the previous week, what worked, what didn't work, and how I can course correct. And I also think about what are the top 3 to 5 things that I get to focus on this week that's going to help me move closer toward my quarterly goals. And I found taking this time, and I personally do it on a Sunday night. Usually my daughter's asleep, my wife's working on something else, and I really get this dedicated time. I spend as much as 2 hours really focused on reflection, thinking about what I want to focus on, and then planning my week day by day. You don't have to spend that much time, but spending any amount of time with a clear focus and direction as to what you're going to focus on that week will keep you dialed in, focused, and really, really efficient in how you use your energy towards what it is that you're focused on. Anything else that comes into your inbox, that comes onto your desk or wherever, gets to be pushed aside until these objectives have been completed and met throughout that week. And eventually what you will end up seeing is that a lot of the things that come into your inbox aren't nearly as important as they appear to be in comparison to what you're looking to focus on each week. But this is what I think. Comment below. Let me know what you think about this. How do you plan for the week ahead? Do you have time that you put aside to work on this? What do you think about the Monday morning rule that we've seen Google's CEO talk about? What do you think about my idea of a player's lobby? Comment below. Let me know what you think about this. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell, get notified when we put out videos, which happen almost every single day. And if you found this video interesting or inspiring, please share this with someone who might find this interesting or inspiring too. I'd love to hear what they have to say and get them in on the conversation. And if you're looking for the exact process and science behind reducing stress, eliminating burnout, and enjoying the process of creating more success in your health, wealth, self, marriage, family, business, career, and not feel the need to sacrifice personal happiness or professional ambition, you can go to thomasedwardsjr.com. Once again, this is Thomas Edwards reminding you to make life a game that you can win and have fun playing. Until next time, I'll see you around.